Hello, hello. So recently I've been working on a Copilot CLI based application. So in this video, I'm going to explain what I have built using GitHub Copilot CLI. This will be a submission for GitHub Copilot CLI challenge that is going on Dev.2 platform. What I have built is a Copilot powered developer activity and focus analyzer. So, what I think is what can be tracked can be improved, and without tracking, it is impossible to improve. There are many tools that give us a solution to analyze the screen time developer activity, but it is not very dev focused. And here, using Copilot CLI, I was able to build my own privacy focused applications. I have named my application DevScope, and it is a macOS first for now. It is not built for Windows or any other OS because right now it uses AppScript to automatically get the foreground applications uses. So basically, it will be a macOS first, and it is privacy focused CLI tool that helps developers understand how they actually spend their time across applications, terminal commands, and browser activity. So, these are the things that came into mind that I should track in order to increase my productivity and also to see where I'm spending much of my time and how that can be improved or reduced if those things are wasting my time. And I have also integrated GitHub Copilot Agent SDK that can reason about my data that I am preserving for this CLI application. So it can answer like, what was I focused today, or constantly context switching, did my work align with the goals, what kind of development work did I actually do. So basically developer generate a lot of activity data, app uses, terminal commands, browser research, commits, and whatso. Now, there are many applications that give this facility, but they are very generic and hide logic behind opaque dashboards or do not integrate with developer workflows. So, DevScope sits within the terminal, stay transparent, and treats Copilot as a thinking partner instead of just autocomplete. And it does not actually gives the data to the Copilot agent or the AI. It just the AI agent just analyzes the data. How it works is it explicitly collects foreground application uses, then Chrome domain level activity. Here Chrome is very specific because I am very much user of Chrome browser. Then what all terminal commands I have used, then user defined goals. So I'll be able to define set of goals, that what was the time spent on that, and I'll see what is the time I want to spend. I can set in the goal and see if I'm over committing or overspending time on certain applications or domains or commands. All this data stay local on your laptop, and there are no background demons running to overload your laptop. So basically, sometimes we do not want to use AI, or we might not have access to the AI. So I have made it very opt-in AI commands over here. So if you give dash dash AI only, then the AI is used. Otherwise, a simple CLI UI will be shown to you for this data. So as I said, it is not just a data tracker. It also has an intelligent agent to understand what things are there in the data. So architecture is very simple. All the code I have written is in Python and using UV based package management. Let's start with the commands. It is and okay. Let's see the user commands which I have given now. Some of the things are in progress or I'll develop later, and some are like AI based agents are not implemented yet. uh, which I am planning to implement in some time. But let's see what is the current state now. So I'm just going over these commands one by one and see what will be the result. AI insights are not yet fully functional, so I have made it coming soon. Now let's go to next command. So this captures today's activity and stores it in the SQLite data in locally. So now it says it has completed the collection. Then let's see the report. So as you can see, what all apps I am using frequently, what are the top commands which I use and how many times. Top domains basically gives the domains which I have visited on Chrome. Set goal is interesting. It lets me set multiple goals based on application, command, or site. So goal status is related to set goal, which can show all the goals which I have set. DevScope command can help me dig dig deep into the commands. Let's say I have used git commit. I can see drill down on which git commit, which all the git commit I have made throughout the day, and doctor command helps me see the environment and there are any issue. For now, Copilot SDK is using a mock. I have used Copilot CLI to build application, and this is my first time building a CLI application, and I have built the whole thing using Copilot CLI, prompting it out in a vibe coding manner. I've written the macOS automation script using Copilot CLI, then parsing the Chrome history, then designing CLI workflows as in the DevScope set goal, then refactoring them if there is any issues. Copilot SDK is a runtime application in which it can help us actually analyze the database which we have been collecting for our commands and give response in real uh, natural language. So these are some of the commands which I had in mind to demo. Then finally, I would say DevScope can be used by developers to increase their productivity day by day. And since it is very small script or application which can be improved by themselves using Copilot CLI, writing many more macOS scripts to automate things, it will be interesting how they can use it. But this is the use case which I have come up, and I am planning on improving it day by day. Thank you.